Hey everybody, it's Chris Lindquist and I'm out here and I'm making some pork butts today, as you can see. And I just got to thinking that, I'll tell you what, this is a lot like creating your retirement worth having through a long, slow process called real estate investing the right way. And so what I wanted to share with you today is really quite simply this, that when you're barbecuing, you got to find the right piece of meat. When you're barbecuing, you got to build the fire right. You got to prepare that meat right. Then you put it on there, and even though it's on the grill and you've got the wood, you've got the charcoal, what you want to do is make sure that you're taking care of that charcoal and that smoke, because you want to have as good and crisp a bark as possible at the end. The same is true with your real estate investing. When you find that right house, you got to prepare it. You got to make sure it's good. You got to invest extra money into it sometimes on the tenant turnovers. And you want to make sure you're working with the right property manager who knows how to change those coals and how to add that apple wood and when to add it, so that you end up with the right retirement worth having. Maybe I'm a little heavy on the analogies today, guys. In closing, everything worth having takes a while. And sometimes it takes a little longer than you want, and it takes a little bit more work than you want, and it takes a little bit more money than you want. But just like these sandwiches are going to be delicious tonight, your retirement worth having is also going to be fantastic, because you bought the right property, you maintained it along the way, you worked in conjunction with your property manager, and now one day you'll get to reap those rewards. Have a great day.